Continuing my conversation with Judge Jack Durkin, we've talked about the court's perception. What about the individual when, okay, here I am now, I'm a convicted necessarily felony, but this is being set aside and debated if I do this? What's their feelings? What do you sense when they first come to that first meeting?
It's mixed, but by and large, a lot of them just want to beat the felony. Mm-hmm. They have no intention of completing it. Perhaps
especially
no
when
hope.
You say more than a year.
Exactly right. Perhaps no hope of doing it because they've never done anything like this in their lives. Had one graduate recently tell me that he begged his attorney, he'd rather do 30 days in jail than come into the program.
Isn't that something? Because that means he's got to be committed to being clean.
Committed to change.
Yeah.
Exactly right. And I think now, 2 years following his graduation, still working a program, reunited with his family, back in business, working, successful, having an opportunity to get custody of his 8-year-old daughter back. He sees that recovery is possible.
Those are the positive stories, Judge, that we don't always hear about because it's not quote unquote news, but it's important that we know this is a community, that individuals are not just being thrown away into a court system because it is very expensive to house and feed an inmate in the county jail.
It is.
Versus the felony drug program.
Whether it's jail or prison, we know that the underlying issues, the underlying trauma, the underlying substance use disorder is not being addressed. And that's why recidivism rates are so high. Mm-hmm. So we ultimately, I'll say one thing. In 28 years of doing this, recovery works. And there is hope for these individuals. They are human beings. And that's a lesson that Judge Charlie Bannon told me a long, long time ago. So we continue with that dream.
Your mentor.
He is indeed.
All right. And again, with this program, Judge, for so many others that are really looking for a way out, if they can stay committed to this over the 18 plus months that they're in this program, the outcome is there.
The outcome is there, and for those who have successfully completed the program, our recidivism rate is less than 9%.
It's a lot to celebrate.
Every day.
As always, it's good to see you.
Good to see you,
Good
Dee.
to have a conversation with you about this program because I feel it is so important and so much needed in our community.
I always appreciate the invitation.
And I thank you for joining us as well. I'm Dee Crawford, Community Affairs Director, WKBN.
Hi everyone, I'm Lindsay Watson. Thanks for watching the WKBN 27 First News YouTube channel. If you want more video news, subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the WKBN 27 First News app for breaking news alerts.